Earlier this month, 38 people were arrested in Assam for defrauding people of 2,200 crore in a stock trading scam. In August, Assam police had uncovered another scam worth 7,000 crores. The scale of these scams are mind-boggling. These are not isolated cases. In general, investment frauds are on a rise across India and globally. Reports suggest that financial scam complaints are at 6-year high. According to the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, Indians lost over 1,750 crore to cyber fraud in the first 4 months from January to April 2024 period, out of which 85% of cases were related to financial crime. You would agree that scammers are increasingly getting sophisticated and are often using social media and messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram to dupe people. Hello and welcome to our channel 5 Minute Finance by ET Money, where we talk about the basics of investing and personal finance. Today's video is extremely important as it talks about how to stay safe from financial frauds commonly happening through the social media platforms these days. You must have also heard of someone around you being duped. Do share the details with us in the comments. We'll also look at various precautions that can be taken to stay cautious of such swindlers. Let's understand a recent popular scam called the pig butchering, which refers to the practice of fattening a pig before slaughter, originated in China and went global during the pandemic. The victim here is referred to as the pig. Now, pig butchering scam, like many other types of investment frauds, follow a series of steps that are designed to manipulate and deceive victims. The scammers prey on the victim's desire for financial success and exploit their trust to carry out their nefarious schemes. Let's quickly understand how it happens in real. So the scammers typically prey on the victim's desire to get easy money or become rich quickly and exploit their trust to carry out the financial fraud. It is a long-term strategy to first attain the trust of the person to deceive him or her later. So while scrolling on platforms like Facebook or Insta, you may have come across an ad from a big brokering firm or a renowned financial advisor talking about an investment tip or showing a very cheesy and attractive ad like get 30% guaranteed returns. Using big names of people or known persons, they try to create a sense of familiarity and legitimacy. Now, these ads are obviously not by the actual broking houses, but by the scamsters impersonating the big and popular brokers. Once you click on these links, you are added to a WhatsApp or Telegram group. The next step is gaining the trust of the investor. Now, pig butchering involves extensive grooming and relationship building with the victim. Scammers often spend weeks or months cultivating a relationship with the victim. Over time, they will share an investment opportunity with the victim. They will generally call these as insider trading tips or high return guaranteed investment opportunities. To gain the trust of the investor, some of the scammers may also share screenshots of their portfolio highlighting the profits they have made. You may also see some members of the group discussing upcoming opportunities and excitement among them for that opportunity. These are basically affiliates of the scamsters who pretend to be genuine members of the group. Next, they'll try to create a sense of urgency around the investment opportunity. The investment opportunities are not limited to just stocks, but these scamsters try to lure people through investment products like crypto, IPOs, and so on. Once you look interested in the investment opportunity, they will ask you to make payment. They will share payment option details. They may show some inflated profits to make you invest more. Might also give back a small amount of return initially, but once you make a significant investment, they will vanish away with your money. And that's it. Now, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to share it with your friends as well to make them aware of such online financial frauds so that they remain safe from such scamsters as well. Coming back to the topic. Now, the scammers may also pose as friends, acquaintances to deceive money in some or the other way. So you must beware and always be attentive while scrolling on social media. But is there anything you should do to avoid getting into such traps? Yes, absolutely. Let's look at them. Be wary of any schemes which sound too good to be true. 30% guaranteed returns sound too good to be true. Guaranteed return, doubling the money in a short period, etc. These are common incentives used by fraudsters to lure gullible investors. In general, if someone promises or guarantees you a return figure way higher than the government schemes or say a bank FD, you must raise suspicion. If you receive a random invitation to join a trading community from unknown contacts, proceed with caution. Investing requires research. No one will give you free advice on social media platform. If it is a good investment opportunity, why would they share with you just like that for free? Some of the scamsters try to sell stock which they are actually holding so that they can offload their holdings at elevated prices. They sometimes create multiple fake apps which look similar to some big trading apps. Once you click on the link on social media, the fake app is downloaded automatically. Any transaction on the app is fake and you transfer the money to the imposter's account. So avoid such advertisements on social media platforms. Big investment advisory firms will never ask you to transfer money to individuals' accounts. So if you are being asked to transfer money to any such account, be wary of it. So stay cautious and don't just click on random fancy ads. Now, what if someone has got duped already? What can be done after the scam? Report to Securities and Exchange Board of India or the Reserve Bank of India based on the type of fraud. Lodge a formal complaint with local police or the economic offense wing. Provide relevant documents and evidence to support the case. Report the scam to regulatory authorities like SEBI or RBI. This will also help the authorities to educate the people about such scams for better prevention. And this brings us to the end of this video. So stay safe from financial frauds, and we'll see you with another insightful video soon.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.